This is my unboxing for Ivory Clasp. This is a purse/bag subscription box. It's $45 a month, or you can get it every other month if you don't want a purse every month. And each month you're gonna get name brand bags, purses of all kinds. When you sign up, you're gonna fill out a profile and you're gonna say the kinds of purses that you like and all kinds of different colors, materials, patterns, that kind of thing. And then they send you a purse based on your preferences. So there is a coupon to save on your first box, so I will include that down below. I did receive this for a review of purse purses, and let's check it out. As you can see, this box is huge, so it doesn't even fit in my video area here. All right, so my stylist was Eric. There's a card here that says what I got. And then here's a little overview again. On trend, in-season styles, yours to keep, free shipping, free returns. So if you don't like your purse, you can return it. This is huge. Okay. Let's see what else is in here in the bottom. Doesn't anything. Here's a coupon for Hannah Lee. And a coupon for Sweat Style. Okay, I'm gonna move this giant box so we can see my giant purse. Also in the box, which I just noticed, we have a sugar lip scrub. This is the coupon that we received. That's what it looks like. So just a fun little bonus in the box. All right, so everything was wrapped up really nicely in plastic, so you're not gonna get a damaged purse in shipping. Okay, so I received the AVI-L bag in black, and as you can see, it's huge. It's my hand against it. And here's a look on the inside. I went ahead and took out all the packaging materials and all that because there was quite a lot of stuff. There's a zippered pocket right here. And then a little divided pocket here, and just tons of space. I love it. It's huge. I like the leather. It's really nice. And right now, it's selling on Poshmark for $118. So for $45, you get this purse. So quite a good deal. And there's a coupon, I think 20% off your first month. So I'm really happy with my first purse. I think it's great and definitely something I'll use. And I love big totes like this. Ones that are like totes / purses, because you know, you can throw like a sweatshirt in here if you go to the movies. You can, you know, toys and money and lip gloss and all kinds of stuff. I stuff all kinds of things in my purses. So definitely like big purses like this. So definitely a win for me. So this box contained the little sugar scrub sample with this great purse. And you're gonna get name brand purses every month. Now don't expect an $800 Michael Kors purse to show up in your box, because that's not gonna happen. No one can do that. But you are gonna get a really nice purse for the price. So if you wanna try it out, details are below. They have free returns, so if you get your purse and you hate it, you can return it. There's also a coupon down below, and I'll have my full written review with coupons and details and pictures and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.